everyone, I would like to share with you that you can purchase from me a little shield instead of just wearing the masks, right? I know that the masks sometimes are hard to breathe in, right? And also for us women, when you wear the mask, you cannot see your makeup. So we have a perfect solution. Very simple. It looks like little glasses, and you have a shield that goes onto it. Very easily to attach it. You just pull out of your bag, and you have to make sure that you pull off your little protecting shield, that it's on your shield and it's on both sides. It should very easily come off the shield. And then what you do, you have your little pieces over here that you pull it outside. You attach the shield. Let me show you. You find a little hole that goes inside and into your frame, and the same on the other side. Pretty simple. Yes, and off you go, right? You can see nicely fit your face. And for those of you that wear the glasses, you can actually put your glasses, and then you can put your shield on top of it. So it should not bother you. It's very comfortable. You can see you can look up and down. Now also, if you would like to, you can as well wear your mask, if you would like, and then you could put your shield, right? So you're protected from both sides. Now what's nice about it, it's very simple to travel. You can disassemble if you would like to. Also to clean it, you just rinse it with water, right? So it's significantly easier to clean it than even your mask, right? Because you have to wait for the mask to dry. Over here, very simple, clean it, wipe it, and you're ready to go.